Hello, you are welcome back to the Trusting Brother production. Today our discussion is going to be on opening an existing project in Visual Studio. There are several ways in doing that, but today I'm going to take you through about 4 ways. The first one is going to be on using the projects, open projects and recent from the start page. Then the second one will be using the file from the menu bar. Then we have the using the open from the standard toolbar. And then lastly, opening the project from the project location. So without wasting much time, let's start with the using open projects and recent from the start page. So let's launch our Visual Studio. I believe you all remember that our first project that we created, we gave it a name, My First VB Application. Okay. So now I've opened the Visual Studio and I want to work on my already existing project, which is My First VB Application. So when we look at the recent side, we can get it here. That's My First VB Application. So let's click on that and see what will happen. When we click on that, it will open the application, My First VB Application for us. Okay. So this one way. Let me use this opportunity to explain certain things here for you. Now, at times when you open an already existing project, the form will seem to be lost, but in actual sense it's not lost. For example, it will be like this. Assuming I close the form. At times when you open the project, you see something like this with the form missing. When you see something like this, please don't be panicked. For your form is not lost, it's there. In our first tutorial, I made mention of the Solution Explorer and I said it contains the elements of your project. So since the Solution Explorer contains the element of a project, definitely your form will also be there because it's also an element. So when we go to the Solution Explorer, we can see the form, which is form 1. You just double click on the form and your form or your project form will come back. Okay. So this is the first stage. So let's also have to look at the other way around. So let's open it again. Okay, this time around we are not going to concentrate on the recent again. We are going for the open project. So just click on open project. When you click on the open project, it will open the location for you. Then you search for the folder that is bearing your project name. So from this project, I can see we are having My First VB Application, which is the project I want to deal with. So I just open the folder. Then below it, we are having My First VB Application.sln. So I just double click on that. And it will open the form for us with the name My First VB Application. Okay. Now let's move on to the other way. That is using the file from the menu bar. From our first tutorial, we got to know that the file edit view project build, debug up to the help, they all constitute the menu bar. So that's what I'm talking about. So just click on the file. When you click on the file, you have open. So when you click on open, Then we have file there. When you click on the file, it will send you there. Then you search for your projects. But since I'm already working with this my first video application, that's why you can see that opening the my first video application project. But you can go back, then navigate to the projects, then select the appropriate one that you want. So assuming I want to open this, you can just double click on it and open it. So that is that. Or you can still use the same procedure to open the other one. That's my first video application. All you have to do is just go back, navigate to search for a project, double click on it, and it will open. Alright, then let's move on to the other one. That's using the open from the standard toolbar. Using open from the standard toolbar. And now this is the standard toolbar from our first tutorial. So when you place the cursor on the tools, you can see open here. Just click on the open. When you click on open, it will open the source for you or the location. Then you come back, search for the appropriate project, open it. Okay, we can also go straight from the location and double click on it to open. So let's create the application and let's try that, and let's see. We just open the Solution Explorer, the File Explorer rather. Then when we were creating the first project, that's my first VB application, by default we saw that the location was documents. So we just have to come to documents, then search for Visual Studio. My version is, the version that I'm using right now is 2013. So just double click on the Visual Studio 2013. Then go to projects. So go to projects, you see all your projects over there. All you have to do is navigate to and select the appropriate projects, then double click on it and it will open it for you. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video tutorial.